Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I am off to play some bingo. I'm here on the Norwegian Getaway. Gonna play some bingo. Haven't played bingo in years. Wanna come along? Let's get going.
Now, here's the thing about this video. I wasn't even sure if I was going to post it or not because I just don't know what the reaction's going to be. So I decided to post it, and you guys can let me know what your reaction is. I wasn't sure about the bingo video because, well, some of you might find it as exciting as watching paint dry. Others might find it actually exciting. I mean, the slot pulls do pretty well on the channel, so I'm giving bingo a try here. I'm going to be in Las Vegas in about 2 weeks. There's lots of bingo halls there. If you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, I will be more than happy to do some more bingo videos as well as slot pulls. Just leave a comment below whether you like this or don't like this. By the way, coming soon from the Norwegian Getaway, a slot pull from the casino. As you can see here, there's 3 different colored cards, blue, green, and red. Each has 3 games on it, or 3 bingo boards. Each card cost me $10, so I spent $30. There's a total of 9 boards here, if you break them down, 3 blue, 3 green, and 3 red. And that was more than enough for me to handle. There were people that had a ton of these cards in their hands. I don't know how they kept up. I had a hard time doing just the blues, and then the greens, and then the reds. They're going to start off with the blues, so we'll take it from there.
Your lines will be claiming your bingo, and it's going to be G58, 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 G58 is 061, 061.
In case you're wondering, and I'm sure you are, the prizes run the gamut of free bingo games, like free cards, to cash, up to $1,000, I think the limit was, and a free cruise for 2. So you can win a lot here, and if you're a serious bingo player, it's played every day, and the more you win, actually, the more you have to come back. And in case you're deciding on playing this, a couple things to keep in mind. The holes I had to punch with a pen that I happen to have on me. They're perforated, but they don't really perforate or make holes that easily. And when I finally did get a hole in the correct number, which took time, and again, time is being rushed here because they're moving on to another number, I didn't know what to do with the little piece of paper that I made the hole with, so I had to put that in the empty cup holder next to me. But here's the thing, you could just use a pen, I didn't realize this, and cross off the numbers. As you can see here, each card has a number, like a serial number, and those are computerized. So if you just mark your card off any way you want, and then you get bingo, you let them know that you've got bingo, and actually the computer will match the numbers that were called to the numbers that were on your card, because again, the computer knows your cards by the serial number on them. It will verify that you do indeed have bingo. Ugh, who knew bingo would be so complicated? I should be by the pool. Now, I don't do this often, but as far as the getaway is concerned, the Norwegian Getaway, if you're down to 1 number, if you need only 1 number left on your board, you need to let them know that you're down to 1 number, and the entire audience, whoever is here, boos you. That's what they do. They go boo when you're 1 number away. You also have to stand if you're 1 number away, or you should stand, according to the Norwegian Getaway. And you should also know that the blue cards, which we're all playing right now, is straight bingo. So you know the deal with bingo. You have either a vertical line or a horizontal line or a diagonal line that goes completely across. That's what the blue cards are. The games differ depending upon the color of the card, which you'll see later. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck.
It's going to be I-20, I-20, I-20. Remember guys, Okay, you guys, getting excited over here. We're going to be the bingo claimer. Next ball is 066. 066.
Now the guy in the white polo shirt is a Norwegian Getaway crew member, and he reads the serial number that's attached to that card that young woman has to the person down on the stage, and the computer will match that serial number to all the cards that it knows, and it will let everyone know if that's a true bingo or not.
Okay. No worries. And we have another claimer right here up front, sir. Yes. And anyone else? Can we also play bingo with I-30? And we're gonna bring that through the casino cashier once bingo is done. And now, you guys, it is time for our
She won
second
$107.
game. So the blue cards can be.
So now that someone got bingo on the blue cards, we're going to move on to the green cards, and the game here on the green cards is all you have to do is get all 4 corners. So that seems a lot easier than checking all the numbers on the board. You just have to check the 4 corners on each card that you have that's green.
We got this, you guys. Only 4 balls we have to have. So when I say bingo, you say roll it. Bingo.
Roll it.
Bingo. Very good. First number is going to be B9. B single number 9. B9. Double triple 075. 075. Is it an oh yeah or an oh no? Oh yeah. No, I should stop asking for that. 075. 075. B7 at third ball. God, we already have this.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Fine, the neighbor ball. That's before it's ball back. B5. B single number 5. We got 2. Wow. 4, 5, 6. B6. Ball card number 6. Standard, but everyone double, triple, quadruple check. You never know if it's correct. Let's see. Who do we have over there, CJ?
JC here? No, here we go. Oh, all right, there you go. What's her name and where are you from?
Nancy from New Jersey.
Name is Bingo! Very good, very good. Can anyone else claim with 063 their bingo? $122. Yes, very, very good. And now I'm passing over to your assistant cruise director, Will, for the crowning.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is officially time to look for our king and queen of bingo. So feel free.
When I purchased my bingo cards, they also gave me some of these little tickets with numbers on them, and they're using those to crown a king and queen of bingo. How exciting is that? Now, before you make fun of this process, God forbid something happens to the newly crowned King Charles in England. If something should happen and he's unable to fulfill his duties, the crowned king and queen of bingo on the Norwegian Getaway are next in line.
We've got a king. Come on down, sir. Come on down. No, it's the other way around, Luce. Okay, you didn't want to. I think he's taken. Yeah. Okay. No, don't touch the crown, sir. You come here. Yeah. You're rushing the process. What's your name? Where are you from? Nasser from New York. Ooh, our first king of bingo. Paula, please bring a crown up here. We're about to crown Nasser as our first king of bingo. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a whole ceremony. So, yeah, it's okay, Paula. You haven't done bingo in a week. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I now give you King Nasser of New York of bingo. King, you're not done yet. You've got more work to do. Now that you're king, you have work to do. What do you think this is? You don't just get crowned and get to go home. Yeah. Now you have to find your partner in crime. Yeah, it's your job. All right. So now that you can get yelled at for picking the wrong ticket, not me. All right. Are you nervous? Okay. All right, let's take a look. All right, King Nasser has chosen
7, 1, 7, 9, 9, 6.
There she is! Don't clap yet, we don't know if it's real. Yeah, we don't know if it's real. Here she comes. Liz is gonna meet her, or JC's gonna meet her halfway. This JC verify, please. King, are you excited? You found yourself a queen. A bingo, just to clarify. A bingo. You're good! All right, come on down! Yeah, hold her like royalty that she is. All right. Hello there. What's your name? Where are you from? Tia? From Atlanta. Anybody else from Georgia here? Okay. Just you, it's okay. All right, Tia, are you ready to be crowned queen of bingo? Are you excited? King Nasser picked you. He picked you out of everyone else. And he's here with someone and he picked you. Yeah. Your husband doesn't, this is embarrassing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I now give you Queen Tia of Atlanta of bingo! All right. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for King Nasser and Queen Tia. King Nasser and Queen Tia, okay? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our jackpot round. Who's ready for jackpot round?
Okay, so the red cards, which are the cards that are left, is the jackpot round. These are the jackpot cards, and the goal here is to get every single number on a card. That's right. Every single number needs to be punched out for you to get bingo.
47. And 43 and 43. 5 balls. Oh, 70. Who got this one? Yes, the power. Very good. B, single number 3, B3. Oh, 65. Oh, 65. Oh, 65. And 32. And 32. And 32. Yes, the power. Next ball. I-16. I-16. I-6.
Hey, if you're enjoying watching videos here on the New York channel, why not hit that thanks button and help support the channel, or check out the New York store. The link to the store is in the description below. Thanks for your support, guys.
Oh, 7.
New York. Which one? This one. Last number B2.
B2, B2.
Do we have the
Okay,
B2?
let's check. Okay, I need the help of the queen. My queen is the number 2 one.
B2.
Yes, it is.
Okay, what is the verification number?
3697.
3697.
97. Okay, let me see if you have a bingo. Bingo! Very good. All right. So 3 claps. All right. So my winner for the third round, you have $168 for you, my friend. Congratulations. All right, so that was all for the bingo session today.
Well, that was it for bingo. I came close, but what do they say? Horseshoes and hand grenades? It's the only time close counts. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not sure about bingo. What was it like? Did you enjoy it? Was it like watching paint dry? Let me know, because I'm thinking about doing it in my upcoming Las Vegas trip as well. Only that's serious bingo. This was fun bingo. Those 3 cards cost me $39, just so you guys know. And again, I had a good time. And that's it for bingo for now. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Okay, so it came to $39, not $30, my bad. And for $39, I could have spent about 5 minutes at the casino, or I could have went to bingo, which I did, and had a great time for half an hour, 45 minutes, met a couple people, had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.